Changes proposed to the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, commonly known as SNAP, is projected to increase hunger in Minnesota. This is an effort by congressional Republicans to reduce spending at the federal level. This may cause SNAP benefit costs to be shifted onto their respective states. To raise awareness of potential impacts, state officials hosted a roundtable at Families First in Rochester. Joining us live in the studio, our Eric Min was at that roundtable this morning. Eric, what does this mean for Minnesota?
Caitlin, according to the Minnesota Department of Children, Youth and Families, the proposed changes may potentially shift 25% of SNAP benefit costs to Minnesota. This is an estimated $220 million annual cost to the Gopher State that the department says would create an existential threat to the state budget, the health of Minnesotans, and the state's food system. Officials saying this is a program that is vital to be maintained.
It's really important that people have the ability to be able to feed their families.
Hunger is a prevailing challenge that Minnesota has seen worsen over the past few years.
They're working 2 jobs and still can't feed their families, and they're having to come to Channel 1 and do the best they can to put it together.
Data from Feeding America shows 1 in 10 people face hunger in the Gopher State. For children, that is 1 in 7. To fight against hunger, the SNAP program is there for support, but now state officials say it is at risk.
These changes have broad impacts on children's health and development, on older adults' abilities to remain independent, and on community health and well-being. It pushes families to the brink of financial ruin. It accelerates chronic health disease, and it inflicts lasting harm on mental well-being.
Federal cuts to the SNAP program would mean Minnesota have to pay for its maintenance, which is a $220 million price tag. For organizations like Channel 1 Regional Food Bank, this may come at a time when they're already faced with high demand while experiencing cuts of their own.
Food banks were supposed to receive across the country $500 million in TFAP, which is government commodity food. It should have been arriving in March and April, and those trucks just did not come.
Hunger is increasing in the land of 10,000 lakes, according to Channel 1. And in 2024, Minnesotans visited food shelves more than 9 million times. To end this upward trend, state officials saying the SNAP program is a federal expense worth keeping.
SNAP participation in our state is around 90%, so people are in need of food and nutrition services. We want to maintain that.
This morning's roundtable was the first panel held around the state regarding this topic. The Department of Children, Youth and Families aims to host more of such educational events to raise awareness of the cuts' impacts. Live in the studio, Eric Min, KGTC News.